Oxylife Water Purification Agent. How important is oxygen in the modern world? Oxygen is not only life-giving, but it's also a killer of harmful anaerobic infectious bacteria. Bacteria cannot survive where there are high levels of oxygen. It is also naturally selective in what it kills. Unlike drugs and antibiotics, oxygen does not harm the aerobic or beneficial bacteria, which are essential for good health. Only oxygen can selectively kill the bad bacteria without killing the good. Oxygen provides life and energy to every living cell. Oxygen deficiency plays an important part in cellular contamination. It is a powerful detoxifier, and when its quality is deficient, toxins begin to devastate body functions and deplete the body of life-giving energy. Toxic environmental chemicals and pathogens exist everywhere, which then require extra oxygen for all detoxification processes. Dirty, stagnant, toxic water contains very little oxygen. Oxylife Water Purification Agent stabilized electrolytes of oxygen will help reverse this trend. What is Oxylife? Oxidation. The combination of a substance with oxygen is called oxidation. Oxygen is used in many processes that break down excess and toxic materials in the body. An average glass of tap water contains between 7 to 12 parts per million of oxygen. Oxylife has a count of 12,000 parts per million. It contains 1,000 times more oxygen molecules than the same volume of tap water. Oxylife stabilizes oxygen in a sodium chloride solution, though the amount of sodium chloride is negligible and should pose no risk to anyone on a low sodium diet. The genius of the formula is in using two most important and abundant electrolytes, sodium and chlorine, as oxygen carriers. Research has not yet found an anaerobic infection or disease bacteria that Oxylife does not kill. It is effective against Salmonella, E. coli, Streptococcus, Pseudomonas and Staphylococcus. Stabilized oxygen is virtually the only tasteless product that will kill those harmful bacteria without killing the body's beneficial bacteria. Adding Oxylife to water removes chlorine in about 30 seconds and kills any harmful bacteria and organisms. To purify liquids, add 8 drops to a 240 milliliter glass of water or juice or milk, etc. Oxylife is an oxide of chlorides, stabilized with the richest known source of nascent oxygen, with several atoms per molecule. It is a safe, non-toxic, stabilized liquid concentrate of electrolytes of oxygen. Electrolytes are any substances that dissolve in water and which conduct electricity. How does Oxylife work? Oxylife is alkaline in nature and is negatively charged. Like the negative ions around us, it is the negatively charged molecules of Oxylife that produces such tremendous results. Oxylife features: stable, concentrated, alkaline, non-toxic. Oxylife can be added to most liquids, however, it is not advisable to add to boiling liquids as this breaks the bond and destabilizes the oxygen. Keep Oxylife away from prolonged exposure to direct sunlight and store at a temperature of less than 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 degrees centigrade. As Oxylife is strongly alkaline, it is not advisable to apply directly to the skin.